What's up, money gang? It has been a minute and a half. It's time to create a slip with you. This will be one of the last videos that I'm doing where I'm creating a slip live for everyone. All the other videos that I'll be doing would only be for the money gang, the members in the channel. So to become a member in the channel, after you subscribe, you click join. Then you click join and follow the prompts. Alright, but anyway, let's get straight into it. I think I'll also add a link of joining in the description, just in case there are people that are struggling to join with clicking join. I think there were a few people that mentioned that they were having problems with that. Alright, let us see what we can do here. This is my Betway page. For those that are new, this is how I do my bets. So I will run through how I do my bets real quick. So let's go to sports. And the sport that is default that will pop up would be football. Okay. So let's see what's happening here. My internet connection is really slow. This is not right. It should be faster than this. Okay, let's see. Where are the games? Jeez, man. Oh, there we go. Should I add Tottenham's game here? If I add Tottenham's game, it will be too late for you guys who want to join the next game, but I feel like I wanted to add this game. Tottenham has been on fire. I wanted to do a Tottenham or draw. You know what? Let's add it. Here, I would either go for Tottenham or draw or over 1.5. Tottenham or draw or over 1.5. I think that would be one of those winning slips in this game. Tottenham or draw over 1.5. Let's see, those are good odds right there. Okay, let's go back. So whatever slip, anything that you put in your slip will appear on this side, on the right of your screen. The internet is terribly slow. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to upgrade it. Oh, there's too many connections to it. I don't know. Alright, so we have Tottenham or draw. We have Empoli playing, Torino playing. We're not going to add them. Okay, so it's not showing us everything. So what we're going to do is filter to what we want to see. So international events, nope. International clubs, UEFA is what is playing this week, and Europa. So those are the two that we're going to apply. Let's see what's going on here. Newcastle and Dortmund, both of these teams are great, but we don't know who might perform well today. But what we do know is that it's going to be a goal fest. It is going to be a goal fest. I think over 2.5 goals is something achievable. If you do not want to put over 2.5 goals, if you put over 1.5 goals, it's also okay. You can work with that. As you see on our left, we have 2.38 odds, meaning if we put 10 rand, we'll win 14 rand on top of that. Okay, and then we have Barcelona. Barcelona is a weird team, man. You put it on your slip, then it loses. You put it off your slip, then it wins. It's like one of those weird teams that I don't like being part of. But Porto, I'll do a straight win. They are in form. They've been doing well. Here and there will be a few drops with Porto, but all in all, they've been playing very well for me. So I'm going to put them in there. Atletico Madrid, I'm still angry with them. They made a lot of my slips lose, so I'm leaving them out. Take a break, Atletico Madrid. Let's go to Lazio. Lazio, I'm going to put an over 1.5 with them. They've been scoring goals. If you want more information on how these people have been doing well, you can get insights from Betway. So let's see what's happening here. So it says Lazio has won 9 of their last 15 matches. 3 of their last matches for Feyenoord ended up in less than 9.5 corners. So these are all the stats that Betway offers you. But let's look at the one that I'm looking at, over 1.5, 100% in the league. You can see what's going on. Like, they are saying 1.100%, 1.5, and 81% in the league. So that is quite a big, what's the stat for us to look at. I hope you're following. I hope I'm not moving too fast for the new people that are betting for the first time. But let's continue. Napoli is going to do well, so I'm going to give them a straight win. That Manchester City and Young Boys, I would really love to put an over 2.5 here. Even that over 2.5 is small, so I'm not going to do it. You can put it on if you want, but I've seen that when it drops that low, sometimes you find that those teams are not going to do well. Okay, so Real Madrid is going to win, straight win. Bayern Munich is going to win, straight win. Arsenal, I believe that since that a loss that was unfair to them, the fans are riled up, and you know Arsenal players and Arsenal fans are the same, so they'll want to prove a point by winning with Sevilla. So if you're not sure what is going to happen there, you can either say Arsenal or draw, go to the combos and say Arsenal or draw and over 1.5, and it should give you similar odds. So where is it? So Arsenal or draw, what's the 1.5 one? Okay, yikes, I'm not seeing these right now. Arsenal and draw. No. Arsenal or draw, and yes, no. Double chance overs and unders. Okay, so Arsenal or draw over 1.5. It's similar odds. So just in case they do a 1-1 or they do a what's this? They do a 2-2, whatever. But I feel like Arsenal is going to win that. If they don't win that, it will be a definite draw. Okay, so those are the games. I'll go to Liverpool. Liverpool gonna beat that team. I just know they're upset that they're not in the Champions League. They have something to prove. Though that's the only team that I added there. I think I'm going to say keep bet slip. I'm gonna put 1,000 on this. I'm really confident that something real might happen here. Atalanta, I feel like they're gonna win as well. So I'm gonna put them in. Where does it take me to? 22,000. Okay, that's it. So let's look at our slip real quick. Tottenham or draw, very realistic. Over 2.5, very realistic. Porto, yes, straight win. Over 1.5. Napoli, Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Arsenal draw, Liverpool, Atalanta. This is a very realistic slip. In fact, I would even put 2,000. But there's a lot of things that I want to do here. That's why I'm saying keep bets in slip, because I'm going to add more cricket games. For the cricket games that are additions, those slips will be shared to the Money Gang group, and 5 more slips will be shared in the Money Gang group. If you want to join, once again, as I mentioned, click join or click on the link in the description. This is for all those people that want to join the Money Gang. That's how we roll. We try our best to build not only for betting. Remember that betting is not for you wanting to make money out of it as the only source of income, but it's something that with all the money that you have on the side, that's what I'm trying to say. Some money that you have on the side, you bet with it, you make more money and you build like that. But I wouldn't say to you that have betting as your only source of income. Another big thing for those that are still here: please do not go to live games. Please do not touch this casino games thing here. Don't come here. A lot of people lose money when they come here. These things are rigged. These things are algorithms that are built to study you, to see how you play, to see how much you're depositing, and you will end up losing everything. So Money Gang, let's get the bag, and I'll see the rest of you on the Money Gang group and the members only community tab. Let's get the bag. Bye.